We rise up from the dust and clean my throat.
Alright guys, what is going on here? Today I have a super cool opportunity to actually ride a Zero motorcycle. Now I've seen these things a couple times at the motorcycle show, and on top of that they also do a beginner course on that. It's meant to train riders what these bikes are like. Because just from riding it from this end of the lot to the other before this test ride, it's already a little bit strange, and you have to verbally tell yourself that there's no clutch. This is just a handbrake, so when you're finding yourself trying to pull in the clutch, it's just a little bit different. I don't know if they come with a belt stock. I thought they did, so I'm guessing that this chain conversion was done by my buddy that let me test ride this. But he really does have some nice parts on this, from the Brembo handbrake and front brake, the sprocket and chain, the seat, all of it is really nice. He came up to me right away and he's like, do you want to try this out? I said, yeah, of course. That's what I like to do, is try different bikes. Today, I don't know if I'm going to wheelie it much, but this front end has been something that I really like. It reminds me almost of my 450 that I just built. However, this is definitely a lot more brake, so I'm going to take it a little bit easy, but I am going to try to roll some stoppies on this thing for you and go for a little test cruise around the lot. So let's do it. Man, this is weird. I get on it right away and I'm just like, oh my God, where's my clutch? It's a handbrake. It's so weird. It scared me watching him do stoppies already because it's something that you don't think about. There's Tony coming in. It's something you don't think about, but what's different from that bike to this bike? That one, when he comes in hot as hell, is loud. It's really loud. It's wham! This one is quiet as all hell. So it's scary. These guys right here don't know I'm coming for a stoppie. Woo! Wow, we're moving now. Nice. This thing is awesome. Man, does it roll too. You got to get up to speed. So cool. Had to get that third person shot for y'all. Man, this thing is cool though. It's just instant power, but the only thing I'm really not liking is how quiet it is, especially for in a stunt lot like this, and even more so on the street when cars don't know you're there. That's something that kind of scares me. However, the power delivery on this is really cool because it is instant. There's no clutch, and you feel it just kick on more and more and more. It reminds me of like a WR250 speed-wise. I mean, look at that acceleration. It's just instant. And it'll be out here, you're starting to learn more and more and more to roll. So I guess I forgot to even tell you what it is. It's a Zero FX. This is like their base model. This is kind of like, I wouldn't say entry-level bike, but it's their least expensive one. Man, we're carving on this thing. Then you go over here with these loud guys. Goddamn hogs. How do you get this thing to wheelie? You just gotta yank up?
You're probably so low on battery right now.
Oh my God. He's like, let me show you. Oh my God. The circle wheelie's on tap. Wow. I rode it at the motorcycle show when they had it on the wheelie machine. I was like, it is kind of twitchy like that, but he just got on. He's like, here, let me show you how. So it seems like he picks up a pretty low speed, to be honest. Whoa! It is really twitchy up there, I'm not gonna lie. So definitely you need to pick it up at lower speeds. The power delivery on this is really weird, and the fact that it is sudden like that, and gas motors, as much as we like to think they are, it just isn't. You know what I mean? Like, this throttle is connected to that rear wheel, just boom. Trying to get used to this electric stunting. There we go. There we go. He's right though. He warned me. He's like, be careful. It's really twitchy. I'll tell you what though, this is probably the lightest motorcycle I've ever ridden. Get him with the rollers. I like like rolling with them because people can hear that we're coming in for Stoppies. They're like, oh, it's those clowns. These guys are about to smoke me. Let's see a 600 compared to this. This thing's cool. This thing can pretty much do everything your sport bike can do. It's just a lot quieter. A couple things that I would like to see with the electric bikes, and I know it might not be as practical, but the two big things, it just comes with electric bikes. The battery, you can't go to the gas station and recharge it really quick. Although maybe they have quick chargers, I have no idea. But I think the most important to me is what I said earlier, how quiet it is. There's a saying with the Harley guys, and I know they're, you know, brother this, brother that, but loud pipes do save lives. It really is true. When that car goes to, you know, switch over 2 lanes and they don't hear any bike, sometimes that could be life or death right there. I don't know if that's something that electric bikes will ever have or won't have, but it's something that it's just a reality of our world that people sometimes need to hear and not just see, because it's one of your senses. It's something that people use when they're driving, is obviously hearing. It's the same reason that ambulances and police and everything like that, when they're trying to get somewhere, they're trying to be noticed. It's not just the lights, it's also the sirens. So they're trying to get people to notice them. And yeah, for motorcycles, that's definitely safety, because look at how skinny this bike is. That could get lost really easy in a rear view mirror. But guys, I'm gonna get back to this session. What an awesome time I'm having here in North Carolina. So many good friends out here, and cool bikes like this that I would never in a million years think that I'd have the opportunity to wheelie and stoppie. So Zero Motorcycles, at the end of the day, I'm ready to do a stunt build with you guys. I think it would be cool. I definitely think the sport is going that way, whether it's stunt riding or just motorcycling in general. These bikes are going to become more and more prevalent amongst riding, period. As Harley Davidson, Yamaha, some of these big manufacturers, Zero is huge now, start to shift towards electric. It is becoming the reality. So we'll keep fine tweaking them. As human beings, we don't like change, but I think this is eventually going to come, whether we like it or not. And I think in another couple of years, we're going to have these bikes so fine-tuned and just feeling great that we're not going to have a problem stunting them, and even more so just riding them on the street. So guys, if you liked the video, please give it a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of electric bikes and where the sport's really going. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. And if you forgot, please go ahead and hit that like button. There's your least favorite moto vlogger signing out. Gonna get back to the madness, get back on a good old gasoline motorcycle, and go have some fun with my friends. Everybody be safe. Peace.